Hi there, Namaste, and Happy Diwali to all the incredible teachers out there. I'm Paras, founder of AmplifiU, your AI partner in teaching. This Festival of Lights is about spreading knowledge, creativity, and joy. And that's exactly what we are celebrating at AmplifiU this Diwali. We have been talking to many teachers to understand your challenges and pain points in the classrooms, and have been working relentlessly to resolve them. Today, I'm very excited to share some updates on AmplifiU that have been asked by teachers for a long time. And we believe these updates are going to make your teaching brighter, more creative, and inclusive than ever before. I want to share 3 updates with you today. Number 1, languages. AmplifiU now speaks your language. You can create, edit, and export content in 12 Indian and foreign languages. From Hindi and Punjabi in north to Tamil, Malayalam, and Kannada in south. From Bangla and Oriya in the east to Gujarati, Marathi, and Sanskrit in the west, plus English and French. You don't need any translations, you don't need any prompts or instructions. Just select your language and create the content, edit and export. Number 2, new templates. We are introducing 8 new tools to spark creativity in your classroom. From creative story writing, plays and poems, to CBSE guideline-based art integrated projects. From SWOT analysis and PESTLE analysis to newsletter writing or student feedback writing. These templates bring imagination, critical thinking, and collaboration all at one place. And everything is aligned with NEP guidelines. Number 3, curriculum. We know your curriculum has been evolving all the time, and it's really difficult to keep it up with AI platforms. So we have listened to you. We have refreshed all the curriculum for NCERT and CBSE. Now adding support for 65 new books across Hindi, Sanskrit, EVS, social science, physical education, vocational education, and many more. Additionally, adding 17 skill books on data science, design thinking, multimedia, and coding across grade levels. So this Diwali, may your classroom shine brighter with creativity and collaboration. Wish you all the very best. A lot more updates are coming soon. Please keep an eye on it. Keep using AmplifiU, keep sharing your feedback with us, and have a safe festival time. Happy Diwali. Namaste.